Hey there, and welcome to my Arduino programming tutorial for beginners. If you've ever wanted to dive into the world of electronics and programming, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll go over the basics of Arduino programming, setting up your board, and writing your very first program. So let's get started. First, let's quickly talk about what Arduino is. Arduino is an open-source electronics platform based on easy-to-use hardware and software. It's perfect for anyone from beginners to experts who want to create interactive projects. Arduino boards are used to build devices that can sense and control the physical world around us. Now that we know what Arduino is, let's talk about how to set it up. You'll need an Arduino board, a USB cable, and your computer. First, go ahead and connect the Arduino board to your computer using the USB cable. You'll also need to install the Arduino IDE, which is the software where you'll write your code. Head to the Arduino website, download the IDE for your operating system, and install it. Once that's done, you're ready to start coding. Now comes the fun part, writing your first program. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. We're going to start with a basic program called Blink. It's going to turn an LED on and off. The code is in the description. Let's break this down. First, the setup function runs once when the Arduino starts. In it, we tell the Arduino that we want to use the built-in LED as an output pin with pin mode, LED built-in, output. Then we have the loop function, which runs repeatedly. Inside this, we use digital write LED built-in high to turn the LED on, followed by a delay 1000, which makes it wait for 1 second. After that, digital write LED built-in low turns the LED off and another delay 1000, waits for another second. Once you've written your code, it's time to upload it to the Arduino board. Simply click the upload button in the IDE. Your code will compile and then be uploaded to the board. After a few seconds, you should see the LED on your Arduino start blinking. Now that you know the basics, you can start customizing your code. Want the LED to blink faster? Change the delay from 1000 to 500 and watch it blink twice as fast. You can also experiment with controlling different pins, like turning on an external LED instead of the built-in one. If something doesn't work right away, don't worry. Check that your Arduino board is properly connected to your computer and that you've selected the correct board and port in the IDE. If you're still having issues, check for typos in your code. The error messages in the IDE can usually point you in the right direction. Congratulations, you've just written and uploaded your first Arduino program. From here you can start exploring all the amazing things you can do with Arduino. I'll dive deeper into sensors, motors, and more in future videos, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more tutorials.